Welcome to another Blender how-to video. In this one I'll show you how to hide vertices while you're editing. And this is useful for, let's show you, edit. Let's subdivide it a little bit, subdivide, all right. So go to, and you can do this with other stuff aside from vertices. Let's say that you want to make changes to the geometry here, right? But you don't want to deal with the bounds here, the structure, the squareness, right? What we can do is we can hide them. So toggle X-ray mode, go to 1, and let's hide these. We don't want anything to do with these. Well, we don't want to be able to mess them up. So I think it's Shift H. No, sorry, all the way around. Alt H, no. What was it? Other way around, I guess. Alright, so Shift H. Alright, so now we can't mess with the other ones. Now let's do some proportional editing. Pick this one, G. Move things around. We can even do some, let's see, portion editing, but with randomness, so it looks a little weird, right? But still not bad. If we increase the resolution of this, or the subdivide, press A, this will look a lot better when we do the randomness, right? Like that. All right. All right, and then Alt H. So now we still have our structure while we modify different parts of it without issues. And this is just to make sure that we can make some like really cool changes without messing up the overall geometry of it. Think of it like this is the pool. This is like a pool of water, and these are the hard sides on it. But then we want the liquid to be moving around and joshing. So yeah, that's one way to think about it. I hope that helps.